Cellular organization. The following competitive exams have cellular organization in the syllabus. CSIR NET लाइफ साइंस सिलेबस जिसमें सेल्यूलर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन टॉपिक है. नेक्स्ट है UGC नेट. नेक्स्ट है नीट. नेक्स्ट है कैम्ब्रिज ओ लेवल बायोलॉजी. देन इंडियन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ साइंस बेंगलोर. इन सब जगहों पर सेल्यूलर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन एज अ सब्जेक्ट, एज अ टॉपिक MCQs यहाँ से पुटअप होते हैं, यहाँ से MCQs पूछे जाते हैं. तो आज हम पढ़ने वाले हैं MCQs रिलेटेड टू सेल्यूलर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. सेल्यूलर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के अंदर इसको छः हेडिंग्स में हमने स्प्लिट कर लिया है, ब्रेक डाउन कर लिया है. पहला है सेल स्ट्रक्चर, दूसरा है सेल ऑर्गेनेल्स, तीसरा है सेल्यूलर ट्रांसपोर्ट, फोर्थ है सेल सिग्नलिंग, फिफ्थ है सेल्यूलर डिवीजन, सिक्स्थ है सेल्यूलर स्पेशलाइजेशन. तो आज इस वीडियो में हम कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स स्पेशल के अंदर मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस करेंगे सेल स्ट्रक्चर के बारे में, जिसमें हम सेल मेम्ब्रेन, सेल वॉल, साइटोप्लाज्म, न्यूक्लियस, माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया, एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेक्टिकुलम, गोल्जी एपरेटस, लाइसोसोम्स, पेरोक्सिसोम्स और साइटोस्केलेटन के MCQs करेंगे. लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. What is the main component of the cell wall in plant cells? कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स, प्रोटीन्स, लिपिड्स, सेल्यूलोज. तो इसका आंसर होना चाहिए सेल्यूलोज. विच सेल ऑर्गेनेल इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर सिंथेसाइजिंग द सेल वॉल इन प्लांट सेल्स? गोल्जी एपरेटस, एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेक्टिकुलम, माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया, प्लास्टिड. गोल्जी एपरेटस. नाउ what is the main component of cytoplasm? Water, proteins, carbohydrates, lipids. Answer: water. Which cell organelle is suspended in the cytoplasm? Nucleus, mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, all of the above. तो इसका आंसर होगा all of the above. Next, what is the main function of peroxisomes? Cellular respiration, protein synthesis, cellular digestion, detoxification. इसका आंसर क्या होना चाहिए? Detoxification. Which enzyme is present in peroxisomes? Catalase, amylase, lipase, protease. Catalase. Now, what is the main function of the cell membrane? To provide structural support, to regulate cell growth, to control movement of substances in and out of the cell, to synthesize proteins. Answer होगा option number C. To control movement of substances in and out of the cell. Next, which cell organelle is responsible for protein synthesis? Nucleus, mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, ribosome. Answer is ribosome. What is the function of cytoskeleton? To provide structural support and shape to the cell, to regulate cell growth and division, to control movement of substances in and out of the cell, to synthesize proteins. Answer is to provide structural support and shape to the cell. Which organelle is involved in the transport of materials within the cell? Lysosome, mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus. Answer is endoplasmic reticulum. What is the function of the nucleus? To regulate cell growth and division, to control movement of substances in and out of the cell, to synthesize proteins, to store genetic information. Answer is to store genetic information. What is the main component of the cell membrane? Carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, nucleic acids. That is, answer is lipids. Which cell organelle provides structural support and protection to the cell? Cell wall, cell membrane, cytoplasm, nucleus. Answer is cell wall. What is the function of cytoplasm in a cell? To provide structural support, to regulate cell growth, to control movement of substances in and out of the cell, to provide a medium for chemical reactions. And the answer is to provide a medium for chemical reactions. Which organelle contains the genetic material of the cell? Nucleus, mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus. And the answer is nucleus. What is the function of mitochondria in a cell? Protein synthesis, cellular respiration, cellular digestion, DNA replication. And the answer is cellular respiration. Which organelle is involved in protein synthesis and transport? Endoplasmic reticulum, ribosome, Golgi apparatus, lysosome. And the answer is endoplasmic reticulum. What is the function of Golgi apparatus? Protein synthesis, protein modification and packaging, cellular respiration, DNA replication. So, and the answer is protein modification and packaging. Which organelle contains digestive enzymes is involved in cellular digestion? Lysosome, mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus. And the answer is lysosome. What is the function of peroxisomes? Cellular respiration, protein synthesis, cellular digestion, detoxification. And the answer is detoxification. Subscribe. What is the main role of catalase in peroxisomes? To break down proteins, to synthesize lipids, to detoxify harmful substances, to generate energy. And the answer is to detoxify harmful substances. Where are peroxisomes found in cells? Only in animal cell, only in plant cell, in both animal and plant cell, in no cell. So it is found in both animal and plant cell. What is the purpose of peroxisomes in plant cell? To synthesize chlorophyll, to store starch, to detoxify harmful substances, to generate energy. And the answer is to detoxify harmful substances. Which structure provides shape and support to the cell? Cytoskeleton, cell wall, cell membrane, cytoplasm. And the answer is cytoskeleton. Please subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. Thank you.